Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Hope y'all are doing well out there on YouTube. Hope all you guys are riding. Hope my friends from VAM I met had a safe trip home. It was a rainy weekend, a rainy few days, but I think they had a couple of good spells, a couple of good days of some good riding here and there. But the reason I'm with you today is I've got an unboxing of some new toys that came in the mail. Got the Amazon box here, and let's take a minute and go through what's inside. Got some nice toys, and these things I've got in here, guys, I want you guys to drop some comments, give me some advice of anything, how to use this stuff, and the best way to use this stuff, okay? So let's jump right in. All right, I'm gonna use this little roller stool here as my bench table because I'm short on some tables. I've not got my benches built in my garage. I need to do that. So let's cut this box open and see what we got. Okay. Amazon package. And right on top, what do we have? DJI Osmo 360 camera. Seems to be packaged real well. We're going to open it up here just a minute. We got a bunch of accessories too, guys. Packaging paper. Throw that over there in the trash. And what do we have here, guys? DJI mini mic system. Or this might have been the yeah, it's the DJI mini mic. Comes with a charger and all. So I'm going to set that there. Or set it right there on the floor. This here, guys, is the motorcycle vlog kit for the Insta360 camera. I got the camera mount with the extra arms on it that I can mount it on the motorcycle. The double arm and the ball joints and stuff. So I'm gonna open it first right here, and let's take a look. I think it shows comes with I got the telescoping pole or the Insta360 stick, whatever you want to call it there. I guess that's what it is. And let's see how far it goes out. I know it goes out farther than that. So you twist the knobs here to tighten it. Let's see here. This might be the shorter one. And that little bad boy goes up there. So this one is a total of about 4 feet, guys. Maybe a little over 4 feet, and it does have the threaded end on it. So let's collapse this up. I have another 360 stick that y'all have seen on my motorcycle handlebars. That's what I've been using. We'll put it here. And here are some little ball attachments and a thing that will screw on top of that. I can put a GoPro on or mount a 360 a different way. Here is the double arms that I was talking about. You can position that way, turn it a different way. And here's the other one. And that makes, if you're recording on the shooting a 45 off your tour pack or saddlebag guard or something like that, you can make up an extra brace that's going to hold your stick more sturdy, guys. That's what I wanted these right here for. Come with the extra swivel ball where you lock in, and a screw in top of the head thing, and all that good stuff. Essential stuff that you need anyway, you know what I mean? So I'm going to close this box, and we'll open up the camera. set this back in here. Get my knife back out, or my tool here, let's put it that way. Let me get my tool back out. That number. All I should need to do is one end. Guys, it's getting ready to storm here. I don't know about where you guys are at, but it is getting ready to storm. Come another shower on this Saturday evening. Seems like it's off done for the past few days. I know I was supposed to have 2 batteries. I ordered the kit with the extra battery. Feels awful light for a battery, guys. Maybe I've got a battery inside the camera. Let's check on that. Alright, I got the other DJI, the one that comes with it. The selfie stick here. It's the collapsible stick kit, they're calling it, from Osmo. So let's get this open as well. I'm excited, guys. This is I have been in some bad need for my camera. My cameras are old. I got the one I have been using in the past, and it's a Hero 8 Black, and I've got an old Hero 5 Black. They still work. They're getting pretty weak. The batteries are real weak, and best I can do, guys, crazy as it sounds, best I can do out of a battery length, I was telling a friend the other night, 20 minutes tops if I'm lucky, and if it's not too hot. Alright, this is nice, got a good firm grip on it, and let's see how it opens up. So you just collapse up like that, and it's another, I'd say this is 4.5, maybe 5 feet. That's the one that's got the magnetic tip on the end of it that the 360 cameras lock on. So I want to open up the DJI 360 camera here. I'm not going to turn it on or anything, guys. I've been watching videos of everything, how to use it the best places to use it on the motorcycle. So any tips that you guys want to share that currently has one of these, feel free to do so, guys, because honestly, it's going to be a learning process for a while to get my video coverage to look good. Learn how to edit this. A friend of mine advised me to use this, and I watched the videos on all of them that of all the good views, of all the easy editing that you do on your phone. And here is some sticker decal and something here in this pack, and that's the extra battery that I had ordered, and I think the extra battery is in this small box right here. Let's take a look. Oh, this is there's the extra battery. Yay. And this, I think this is the lens cover. I think that goes over top of them, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I got my extra battery. That's what the battery that came with it, and here's the extra one. So that's good. That is good. So anyway, guys, what I'll be doing is reading up, watching videos, watching how to use this thing more and where to use it more on the motorcycle. And here's the case. I'm taking another bag here. It's packaged really well. Even got a DJI tag on it. And it comes in this little soft case right here is what I'm opening up. So it's got a little cleaning cloth there for the lens. And a real tiny little soft case, which is nice. Packaged with really good soft packaging right here, guys. And I want to do that. Go ahead and take it out of its package. Why not, right? Got to sometime. All right. Here it is. Got your LCD screen right here on the other side, and on the other side, all its power options. I think it's the battery compartment and everything. So yeah, I'm excited about learning how to use this. Best way to use it. I think I'm gonna put it on this magnetic lock-in feature right here. Yep, I like it real well. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. This unboxing on the camera, the DJI Osmo 360. Like I said, it's a new toy for me, long over needed. I actually need another one of these or one of the newer DJI Action 5 cameras. They're really nice, and what I like about the DJI brand and the mics, I've never had a problem on my Rode mics, but from all the videos I watch, guys and women and men and women, men and women are using the DJI mics more than the Rodes, and that's what I have been using. So I'm gonna switch over to them and see how more clearer that my audio is through my vlogging along or so using in my helmet when needed. So I think I'm gonna be happy with it, of all the reviews, all the videos I've watched. And here later, not too soon, but here soon, I will purchase one of the better cases for the camera and the batteries and whatnot. But anyway guys, thanks for hanging along in this video, the unboxing. And if you like the video so far, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment. Tell me how you all use yours and the best way to use them and any advice you got for me to use them, guys. Thanks for watching, and God bless y'all and have a good day.